Stress reduction via physical activity. My name is Hannah Patterson, and I am a current biomedical sciences major here at Colorado State University. Every day as college students, we experience stress from tests, our parents, our supervisors, from work, or even just our daily relations with other people. So, who wouldn't want a solution? My solution is physical activity, and some questions I asked during research was, does physical activity actually reduce stress? How much time does a person have to engage in physical activity for it to have an effect? And is it something available to everyone to undergo? So here's the proof. First off, research has actually shown that exercise itself is a stress. This means it triggers the fight or fight response and causes endorphins to be released. Endorphins simply are hormones that basically make you feel positive and happy. Some other chemicals released during stress or during exercise are dopamine and serotonin. These are both neurotransmitters. Dopamine acts as a rewarding chemical messenger. Basically, it's that ice cream you get after your test, except change the test to a form of exercise and your dopamine as your ice cream. Serotonin has been known for its effects on happiness, and has actually been shown that low levels of serotonin have been linked to depression. So, here's a graphic from one source that I had, and it basically shows this inverse relationship between physical activity and stress vulnerability. So, as you can see, the more physical activity you engage in, the less stress you have. So, does a college student have enough time left over in their day to work out? So, the recommended amount of time in order for physical activity to have an effect on your stress levels is 150 minutes per week. Well, I calculated how much free time a student has, and this is what I got. So 24 hours in a day minus your 8 hours of sleep on average is 16 hours. 16 hours times 7 days a week is 112 hours. So most people, not most people, but like at a maximum you can have 18 credit hours per semester. 18 credit hours times 2 hours, which is the recommended amount outside of class that you should spend per credit hour. I times 18 by 2, added 18 to that, and I got 54 hours. I took our 112 hours that we calculated up here, subtracted 54 hours, and I got 58 hours. Some of us aren't as luxury as just to be a student. Some of us also work. So for a part-time student, I did 58 hours minus 20 hours, and I got 38 hours. And a full-time working student, which is very few of us, I got 58 hours minus 40 hours, and that's 18 hours. So as you can see, there's plenty of time to work out, considering 150 minutes is only 2.5 hours. Even if you are a full-time student working 18 credit hours, that means 18 minus 2.5, and you get 15.5. That's plenty of time left over to work out, shower, everything you need to do. So, is physical activity available or possible for everyone? The most effective form has been proven to be aerobic activity. This includes your walking, your jogging, your swimming, everything like that. However, the most important thing to remember is that you should choose something that you enjoy and that makes you happy. This could be gardening, tennis, I don't know, anything that you can possibly think of, honestly. It's availability to work out. Some of us have the luxury of having a university gym here at CSU. You could take a long walk between classes. You could join a local gym if you have the money to do so. You could join an athletic or physical activity club or group, or basically changing your transportation to biking in between school and work. This may cause more time for transportation, but you're also getting your physical activity out of the way. Lastly, I would just like to close by ending with some recommendations for you. Start small. Start with like 30 minutes a day. And then if you want to, work up to make it a plan that makes it most effective for your day. This might be doing it before class, or before a test, or basically the most stressful parts of your day. And make an effort maybe to include some aerobic activity. Like I said before, walking is aerobic activity. If you have to walk a little extra during class, then fine, do that. but this will have more an effect on you. But in overall, just choose something that makes you happy. Anyways, I hope this helped you and hope you can help any friends of yours struggling as well with stress. Thank you.